As a master's thesis student, you might be eager to start your very own research project. However, conducting the research is only half of the work. An equally important portion is research data management, or RDM for short. But what is RDM? Well, RDM refers to the maintenance, organization, and preservation of your research data, and it is essential in every step of your research. Some of the most common RDM topics are data collection, data processing, data sharing, data organization, and data storage. As a master's student, proper RDM might be challenging, so in this video we have summarized what RDM aspects your fellow master's thesis students have considered important in their work. So, without further ado, let me present to you the 6 things you should know about research data management before starting your master's thesis. Number 1. File names. According to Lucinda, you should structure and name your files in a logical way so that you and your colleagues can find your data easily. During your research, you will conduct many experiments and accumulate a lot of different data files. So to save time, it is important that you name your files and folders in a logical manner so that you will later be able to find the correct data. An example file naming convention is to provide in the file name the name of the conducted experiment, the date, and your name. Number 2. Proper documentation. According to Sarah, taking regular and clear notes is essential for when you later revisit your data. Your notes serve as a record for every step of the research process, from the theory to the experimental results and the analysis. And so documenting your progress is essential for making your data understandable for both you and your co-workers. So, take notes regularly and be as detailed and exact as you can. Number 3. Data backup. According to Lucas, backing up your data is critical. Keep at least 3 separate copies of your data, preferably in different formats and media. Keeping several backups of your data is important due to unexpected events. Your data can, for example, be lost, destroyed, or corrupted. Storage options for your data include cloud storage, different portable devices, or local storage. Number 4. Data access. According to Jenny, it is good to have access to different versions of your data. A private repository, such as GitHub, is a good choice in addition to your personal storage systems. Repositories such as GitHub make your data easily accessible from anywhere, while also providing additional features, such as version control, which helps you keep track of the different versions of your data. Number 5. Summarize your documented data. According to Frank, in order not to lose sight and meaning of your data, create an overview and summarize your data using figures and tables. Summarizing your data regularly does not only help you keep track of your own progress, but it also makes it easier to communicate your findings to your fellow researchers. Number 6. RDM resources. According to Amanda, before starting your project, familiarize yourself with the RDM guidelines and infrastructure in your research group. Ask your supervisor about the RDM tools and standards in your research lab. Having a good grip on the RDM guidelines from the start ensures that your data meets the standards of your research lab and institute from the beginning, saving you both time and effort. And finally, for further RDM guidelines and resources, please do not hesitate to contact the local RDM experts at your institute. We thank you for tuning in and hopefully you have found this video helpful. We wish you success in your upcoming master's thesis.